coming for you, Princess Nature. And when I do, I will save. Let's hope I can make it that quick to meet the princess. I did it. You know what? I'm going for my friend. I'm gonna get you, Princess Nature! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you, Princess! Come on, I'm coming for you! Princess Nature! Oh my god. Princess Nature! I thought I'd never get to see you again for about 200 years ago. Oh my god! Please, you have to let my friend go. She's my friend. I'm telling you, Your Honor. Now that they just discovered our secret, I'll give you a reason why. I have captured your friend and brought to you. You're not getting your friend. Oh, don't worry. She will be locked up in there for a while. No, you don't get it. I need to save her. I promised to you. Fine. I'll let your friend go. But I'm on one condition. You must remember that she must never bother us again. Guess what? I have to make my decision. I need to let you free, but she gave me one warning. So, Queen, what's your decision? Can you let my friend go, or are you gonna keep her forever? Miss Queen, I'm giving you one more chance, but you must always remember to not bother us ever again. Nature, the Queen made her decision. She said she's letting you go, but we have one problem. We can't let the we can't bother them ever again. Yes, Mister, you saved me. You were my helper, Miss Nature. I thought I was gonna lose you, but then you end yourself getting kidnapped. Well, you see, I just wanted to know that I was about to die here when I was gonna get kidnapped. Oh no, Miss Nature, no need to worry, cause I'm your helper.